Well, hello, welcome to my channel. As you can see here, I have a few of this DrawGreen uh, LED solar motion sensor lamp. So basically, when you install it right here, so easy to install right there, and this would save you a lot of electricity at nighttime. So the light will comes on when it detects motion. So when you install it, make sure that the solar panel right here facing full sun, and will recharge the battery inside here. And yeah, this one right here, when I installed it 2016, so almost like 7 years ago, and it's not working anymore. It's almost 7 years. Supposed to only last about 3 years. Look at the right here, water get inside here, so it's no longer working. So I ordered 2 more from Amazon. So I ordered from Amazon right here. So that's what the name is, DrawGreen LED solar motion sensor lamp. So this is LED light. Lightning time for the week light mode is more than 20 hours. So there's a few different modes you can switch it to. If you put into a week mode, week light mode, which lasts about 20 hours. So it takes a few hours to charge this, but right there. So you got instruction how to do it, how to operate this thing right here. It comes either white color or black color, so I decided to choose the black color. So it's a black color, look like this right here, and this is a solar panel right here. So faces installer, make sure this is a face full sun right here to charge the battery inside here. Got lithium battery here, so guess that the battery here should last maybe 2 to 3 years. That's it. But like I said, one of them, since I moved to this house, has already lasted about 7 years. So this is so what you can do is like you can order this from Amazon. So make sure that they just keep an eye on it. Sometimes they have it on sale. So I bought 2 of this right here for I think it's about $39 for 2. Normally it costs about about around $30 right there each. So inside here they give you some screw right here, 3 screw basically. Here, 1, 2, 3. It's easy to install right here. 1, 2, 3, and it says on the box right here, replaceable lithium ion battery and explosion proof. So LED lighting time for the week mode is greater than 20 hours. Recharge by sunlight for storing power. So the spec right here, luminous flux is 1400 lumen. Battery is 18650 lithium battery, 3.7 volts, 2600 milliamp hours, and the working time is about 30 hours of security lightning. Charging time is 5 to 6 hours, and the color temperature is 5500 Kelvin, and the material is made as aluminum. So dimension is 6.7 by 4.7 by 3.5 inches, and the weight is about 1.1 pounds, so very light. And let me show you how to install this thing. And so I took out the old one, you see that. So eventually water get inside somehow. It's been almost like 7 years, so it's not working. So we ripped this one out. We're gonna replace with the new one. See the new one? Yeah, you basically you can take this out right here before you install. Just make it easier. Right. Now just right there. So right there, just make sure that the solar panel is fully exposed to the sun. This you can tighten up what position you want right here, a little, and you can put it down how you shine the light to, down or up. And there's a button on the back right here. So here, that's just turn on activate the lamp. So that's it. It's easy to install. So we got. Okay, it's nighttime right now. I just want to go outside and show you how bright those LED solar motion sensor lamp. My back door right here, I have one installed right there, but I set it to off. It only turns on when it detects motion. Okay, I'm gonna go outside right there. So the other four right there, I turn on wake mode. So basically it's the light is pretty dim, but then when it detects motion, it turns really bright. Okay, that one right there. Okay, it's the same thing right here. And this one I just installed it today, and so is the other one. So very bright. As you can see, they're so bright. So you don't need you save a lot of money by, you see how bright it is right here. 14 lumen each one of them, the brightness. And so if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye, and thank you very much for watching.